Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Matic video update. Now Matic is doing stupid, okay? That's pretty bad, pretty worse. And we do have a technical target that was supposed to go up to $1.2, but at the moment, if you actually look at Matic right now, never really actually broke it out and went for the retest. We need a break, we need a retest, and then we need to go up. Now, the issue is that I can already show you this, and you can see this was a touch right there. You had a touch right over here, and then we had another touch right over there. You had this touch somewhere right over here, and that's where you actually got rejected. So four times you are being rejected at that trend line. That's not good. That's really bad. And you do have this inverse head and shoulder probably, but it's meaningless if you're not breaking the net line. So all you want to do is maybe in the future, after this correction is done, come up, finally break it out, come for the retest, and you're good to go to the $1.2. Keep in mind, if you ever look for deep retracement for Matic at the moment, you might be looking for deeper retracements all the way down to the zero point 0.6. It's just a level that always happened to me that it's something that I'm looking forward to as a retest. It's been overextended. Just look how much you went up. You went really up, right? There's so many good news for Matic. Disney adopting Matic. India maybe choosing Polygon network for their crypto projects and as well. So Matic has been on a roll based on news. But right now, at the moment, that might have been a little bit too much, and this could be a distribution phase where you just come down, make another distribution, and just continue to drop even lower. Who knows? But Bitcoin is the only thing that can save the day for us, so we're going to keep an eye on Bitcoin and what it does. Right now, Bitcoin is retracing to some particular level. Matic can retrace as well. But all you want to see for continuation is a break to the upside, and this is on a daily time frame, so it's going to take a couple of days for this to happen. If you ever see this one breaking out like this, maybe go to $1, come back here to 0.91, hold the 0.91, you're really good to go to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on the Matic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.